late to race anywhere we wanna go. And your house alone to be. Roam by roam, patiently I'll wait for you there. Like a stone, I'll wait for you there. Alone. And on my deathbed, I will pray to God and angels just like a maker. Anyone who will take me to heaven, to a place I recall. I was there so long ago. The skies was bruised, the wine was black, and there you let me home. In your house, I long to be. Roam by roam, patiently I'll wait for you there. Like a stone, I'll wait for you there. Alone, and on I've read till the day was gone, and I sat in regret of all the things I've done. For all that I've blessed and all that I've wronged in dreams until my death, I will walk around in your house alone to be. Roam by roam, patiently I'll wait for you there. Like a stone, I'll wait for you there. Alone, alone.
Hi, welcome to my guitar tutorial. This song usually played half step lower than standard tuning. For the strumming, you're gonna need a guitar pick. The one I'm using is 0.46mm because it's very flexible, so it's perfect for strumming like this. Or you can just use your finger if you prefer, like this. Yeah, it's less brighter, but it does the work. Okay, to keep this simple, I'm going to do this lesson just using standard tuning. Therefore, it will be easier for you to follow these lessons. In the future, when you know how to play this song, you can always lower your guitar tuning into half step lower than standard tuning. Okay, let's go close up. First, I'm going to show you how to play the strumming patterns and then the chord progression on the intro. Chord progression on the intro start with A minor to G to E minor and to F. The chord progressions are played twice, and the strumming patterns will gonna be the same on each chord. It goes like this: down, down, up, down, up, and then to G, down, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, down, up, down, up, F, down, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, up, down, up. Okay, and the next is the first. The first has the same chord progressions and the strumming patterns again. It goes like this. If I sing it, it starts with A minor. It goes like this: on my deathbed, I will pray to ghosts and then the angels, just like a pagan. Anyone who will take me to heaven, to a place I recall. I was there so long ago. The skies was blue, the wine was black, and there you left me alone. So that is the first, which is the strumming and the chord progressions are similar with the intro. And the next is the chorus. It goes like this. In your house, I long to be, room by room, patiently I'll wait for you there, like a stone. I'll wait for you there alone. So the chord progressions start with A minor, and the strumming patterns are going to be the same on each chord. It goes like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, and then to C, down, down, up, down, up, down, to G, down, down, up, down, up, down, back to A minor, down, up, down, up, down, and then stay on A minor, down, up, down, up, down, to C, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, A minor, and then to F, up, down, A minor, up, down, to G, that's A minor, to F, A minor, down, down, up, down, and then the last chord to E. Okay, and then that's the chorus. Next is the guitar solo. The chord progressions start with A minor, and the strumming pattern similar with the intro, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, and then to C, down, down, up, down, up, down, to G, down, down, up, down, up, down, A minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, and still on the A minor, down, down, up, down, up, G, up, down, up, down. to F and the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, down, to C, down, up, down, up, down, A minor, up, down, up, down, G, down, down, up, down, up, down, A minor, up, down, up, down, G, and the last chord E. And then for the lead guitar, to save the time, I'm just gonna play it slowly so you can see what's going on. And I'm just gonna divide it into 3 sections, so that way it will be easier to break it down and to remember the patterns. So start with the first finger on the 6th string, 15th fret. It goes like this. So that's the first section, and the second section start with the 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 15th fret, and this pattern's gonna be repeated patterns. So it goes like this. Yeah, so that pattern's repeated 4 times. So I'm gonna play it slowly so you can see what's going on. So that's it, the second section, and the 3rd section it goes like this. Which start with the 1st finger on the 6th string, 2nd fret, and the 2nd finger doing hammer on. So it goes like this. And so next is the bridge. It goes like this. And all I've read till the day was gone, and I sat in regret for all the things I've done, for all that I've blessed, for all their wrongs in dreams until my death. I will walk. Progression on the bridge start with F, and the strumming patterns are similar with the strumming patterns on the intro, and we're going to be the same all the way through the first part of this bridge, which is down, down, up, down, to C, down, up, down, E, down, up, down, to F, down, up, down, F minor, down, up, down, D, down, up, down, D, A minor, down. And the second part, back to F, and again the strumming patterns are going to be similar with the strumming patterns on the chorus, which goes like this. Down, up, down, to C, down, E, down, up, F minor, D, down, and the last chord is to E. It's gonna be like this. Which is, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, like this. Just 4 times. And then after that, back to the chorus. So that's everything you need to know to learn how to play this song. As I mentioned earlier, when you know how to play this song, and if you want to play this song exactly like the original one, you can lower your guitar tuning to a half step lower than a standard tuning. And bear in mind, the strumming pattern I'm using on this tutorial are only my suggestion. So you can always play with the different strumming patterns. Experiment with it. As long as it sounds good, it's fine. So if you find this lesson is very useful, please like, share and subscribe. I'm Lakson. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I will see you on the next lessons.